To improve access to emergency medicine such as vaccines in remote areas, I have developed multiple types of UAVs. These include Rapid Response FPV drone, a low-cost flying wing, and a fully autonomous aircraft with GPS navigation. Together, they form a faster and more affordable method of delivering medical supplies to communities without reliable roads or infrastructure.
This is Inventing News, live from the Major Tim Space Young Ambassador Program. Our top story, Lullababy, a device that alerts parents to baby movement and high room temperature.
Lullababy helps reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome.
Lullababy, technology designed for peace of mind through safer sleep because safer sleep matters.
The Whatsuit is a heated swimsuit meant to encourage more enjoyable swimming. It has 3 types of layers: the comfort, protective and heated layer. Wires transfer the heat around the swimsuit.
Our app allows you to purchase a wetsuit, control it, enter competitions, and view your swimming distances and data.